Chris will put the tonneau cover on the pickup. It's the airplane hanger. We'll need a knife. Yep, gonna need a knife. You done, Alina? You done? Get back here. Lena? 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 Come on, get back here. Let's see what all we got in here. Oh boy. Looks like a lot of bits and pieces. This part can come out. The hardware, or clamps. Looks like only 2 clamps. I don't know. There's another set of clamps down there. Must be the side rails. Directions, they're important. No. This must be the back. That must be the front. There is only 2 clamps, so two pages of warning, English and Spanish. Should be 6 of those. Oh, they're taped together. Look at that, they're taped together. Duh. I don't know, there's only 2 camps. Nobody said you had to be smart to do this. Said 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at that, our trucker can count yet. Well, at least a 20. When you get 21, probably wouldn't be a good video. Yeah, just like that. Now I'll find a socket for these. Oh. All interesting. And we need some tools. Oh boy. That'll be the one. This out of the road. Nope, we got 3 bars. Turn the power down on it. Pam will kick my ass if I lose that. Put it on the tractor where I'm sure I'm going to remember it. Yeah, that one's fully charged, so that'll work. You've ever seen a truck driver read the directions? A, B, C, and D. Okay, there's that. Oh, it's gonna rain. How about that, huh? Yeah, it's gonna rain out here. Yeah, folks, the struggle's real. Should probably grabbed the impact and spun them tight with that. But I just needed to hold it there momentarily. I guess I gotta crawl under and see what they mean by a click sound. All these. I heard a click sound. And I heard a click sound. Wall it out. Was it that easy? Oh hell, there's a fellow won't even need directions. Yeah, a couple more clamps and should be good to go. Almost did it again. How about that draw at the proper torquage? Even. Tighten the tarp, I guess. See how this is going to work. Hard work. Well, it feels tight. Easy. Very simple job. It was about as easy as it gets. It's hot out here. I need a haircut. I say it's hot. Now I'm sitting here wearing a hoodie. Just making sure you guys are recording good. This is on my new DJI, whatever it's called, Action 5 Pro. Kind of like it. It's like the footage turns out pretty good, and yeah, nice and snug. Could tighten it up a lot more. There's a lot of adjustment in there, but we'll see how it does after I drive around for a while. Remember, this wasn't a how-to. As you can tell, I had no idea what I'm doing, but I got it on there. But I appreciate you watching, and we will see you in the next one.